Hey everyone, welcome back. Is Disney Plus showing error code 83 every time you try to play something? Here's exactly what it means and how to fix it. Error code 83 is a DRM incompatibility error, meaning your device's copy protection system isn't syncing properly with Disney Plus. First, open the App Store and tap on your profile picture at the top right corner. Pull down to refresh and check for Disney Plus update, since this is the single most common fix for this specific error. Tap update if once was and try playing your video again. If the error continues, force close the Disney Plus app completely from your recent apps and reopen it, since this can reset DRM handshake between your device and Disney servers. If it still won't clear, then go to your settings, go to general, then go to iPhone storage, scroll to the list of apps and find Disney Plus, tap on it and then tap offload app. Next, go to your app store and reinstall it fresh from the app store, which fully resets the DRM state stored on your device. So all you gotta do is update the app first, force close and reopen, then offload and reinstall if needed. Error code 83 clears and playback works, and that's it. Subscribe.